Here's only a USB 2 version and an International power plug, which can be plugged, for example, in Germany without an adapter. So I open now the box. There's a security seal, so I have to cut it so that I can open the box. So what's in it? So there's a user manual and a guarantee manual. I saw it as PDF before, so I know there's nothing special in it. I don't need it really. Back. So what's in this case? Let's open it. And this is not the Proctor. This is the additional things you need. First of all, it's the remote control. And the remote control is really fine in a plastic. And this is a new one. I did never see this before because this one has a Netflix button. So this is really new. I never saw it. It's fine that I have a Netflix button. And not so fun if you don't want to use Netflix, because sometimes you will put the button, but you didn't want it to. And then it's not so fine. It's well done. There are no batteries in it, but they're not very expensive, no problem. So this is what's really important, the power plug. Which version is it now? Is it, for example, German one, a European one, or is it a Chinese one? This is really exciting now. What is in it? And we have a German and a really good one. I really can plug it in without an adapter. That's very cool. I have the right one. And this is for the remote control as well, because the Chinese one has a white one without a Netflix button. So I'm happy. I have the right one. Very fine. And the white one is the Netflix button. Yeah, Netflix. And you see the Google Assistant button as well for a short time. So this projector is able with Android TV to recognize your voice and search things that you want to search with your voice. It's very fantastic. So that's a beamer. It's really not the lightest one. It's 1.3 kilograms. This packages very well. There's plastic over it. And you see there's a power button. There is a USB 2, HDMI. There's a headphone jack and a power jack. There are the holes for the ventilation. And underneath is a tripod thread. So you can put it on a tripod. There's a camera for the autofocus, which is really great. So you don't have to do it manually. It's automatically done when starting the projector, and even when it's running, it will do it. So the case is very soft, so the projector is protected. This is really, really good. So the power plug. How long will the cable be? Let's try out. So, what do you think about this projector? I already tried this one, and the results I will show you in another video, the part 2 of this. And it's very interesting for the people that doesn't want to spend so much money for a beamer. And this one is very little price. And for this price, it's very, very good. If you are not annoyed of the DLP rainbow artifacts, this one has a lot of this, but most of the people don't see this. It's not a problem for most of the people. But if you are annoyed of the DLP rainbow artifact, then this is not the right one for you. It's very bright. The 500 ANSI lumens are really 500 ANSI lumens. Very bright. The colors are not the best. I will show you the grayscale is not perfect. But for this little money, I think it's okay. I will show this in the second video I will do in 1 or 2 weeks. So I hope you enjoy this video, and perhaps you like it, and thanks for watching the video. Bye.